Fused filament fabrication, also known as FFF, is one of the most thought of and commonly used forms of additive manufacturing in the industry today. Fusion 360 allows you to go from design or part prep to the build process with a connected, seamless approach. By switching from the design to manufacture workspace, Fusion 360 gives you all the tools needed to create a successful FFF build. From Fusion's library of printer machines, select a machine and load the defined print settings, or create your own machine and print processes which can then be saved and used on future part builds. Quickly position your part on the build plate using automatic orientation to find the best build orientation based off ranked parameters for the part. Needing to reduce the print time and material used when creating the part? Infill pattern allows you to use different patterns and parameters to automatically hollow your part. Generate support structures in areas of large overhangs to eliminate build failures. Simulate the build and visually see the slices, verifying the build process before going to the printer. Once you have the process defined, export the code and data needed to drive your machine and print your part. All this and more in Fusion 360.